All right. So, an interesting thought yesterday was posed on the live stream on Slavgun's channel. Could the Garmin pick up the speed of a slingshot or a bow? So, let's test that out today. So let's start a new session here. I got myself both a compound bow and a airsoft. Slingshot with some airsoft pellets. So I'm going to use this other function here, which gives a velocity range from 100 to 600 feet per second. And we're going to start off with a slingshot today. And no, I don't need to put in the weight. All right, so let's try that out. So I will be slinging these little airsoft pellets. Let's see, there we go. And out of this slingshot, which is a homemade slingshot, I use a Y branch on the tree that I have to build this. Bought some of these rubber bands and got some leather that I had laying around and used it. So let's focus on the Garmin here and let's see what it does. Well, what do you know? It did pick it up. 151 feet a second. Now I know. Let's try another one here. Maybe I'll slow it down with a smaller 112 feet per second. Let's see how slow this can actually still register. Remember, it's set at a 100 feet per second to 600 feet per second range. Now, this is really weak. That did not pick it up. $112 again. Okay, so roughly 100 feet per second is really the minimum range. So if it goes any slower than that, it's unlikely to pick it up. Yep. So that works for slingshots with airsoft pellets at 112 feet per second at least. So next, we're going to try my bow here. It's a very low weight bow. I think the feet per second would be in the 200s at most, but we shall see. That actually did not pick it up. It says shots 2. So we'll try that again. Okay, now that did pick it up. 217 feet per second, just as I thought it would be. And let's try that one more time. Now, I'm wondering why it didn't pick up that first shot. Might be because of the position, might be a little bit 216.8 feet per second. Wow. Is that consistent or what? Mind you, I'm not a expert bowman. This is just for fun for me. 217.1 feet per second. Yeah. Now, I should have started a new session here. Let's see. All right. In this session, make a new session. Let's use the bow setting. And I don't need the projectile weight. And let's try one last one. (218 feet per second). Okay, good. Wow, that's really good average. Okay, now the Garmin does mention that I believe it needs a 20+ yard distance in order for it to measure, and this yard does have approximately 25 yards from here to the fence. The target is nowhere near that. It's only 30 feet away, so it's not dependent on where the target is, obviously, but it's dependent. It's supposed to require a backdrop of at least 20 something yards, so this fits the bill though, and it does work, so it's good to know. All right, see you in the next video.